What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is actually going to be a little different than I normally do when it comes to talking about a new palette and swatches and looks. So this video is going to be a couple different looks using the new Huda Beauty Nude, the new Nude eyeshadow palette. So I usually do like swatches and then one look, but I am going to do the swatches and review in a separate video, and then this is going to be a couple different looks. I want to start doing a couple different looks when it comes to palettes, especially newer ones. So, you know, if you buy the palette, you're able to have a variety of looks to choose from in one video. I also wanted to do a look with the glitters. And that is what this look is right here. So the other ones don't have any lashes or anything really dramatic. It's just like simple everyday looks that are really easy to create using this palette. And I wanted to see how the glitters in this one compared to the Desert Dust palette. And if you want to know how I feel about this one compared to her older palettes or her other formulas, then that will be in the review and swatches. But this is strictly the looks. And oh my gosh, I love this look. And so if you would like to see how to get this look and a couple other ones using the Huda Beauty new Nude eyeshadow palette, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification so you will know when I upload new videos, usually once or twice a week. So let's get into the tutorials. All right, I love you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so we're going to jump into these tutorials, and because I am using 3, I'm going to breeze by them pretty quickly. So here's the palette one more time, and now we're going to go in with an E40 and the color Secret. And this is a very like light taupey brown. I'm just going to put this all the way in my crease from my inner to outer corner, and just blend that, and we're going to be using that as our transition color. Now I'm going to go in with Teddy and a Morphe B80, and I'm just going to be laying this color in my crease. I'm using a more tapered brush, and I'm just laying that color down first, and then I will go back in with the E40 and blend that out. I'm just using this color to deepen the crease up a little bit more. And now we'll blend that out. So now I'm going to be going in with Spanked, this beautiful like rosy mauve, and I'm going to be putting it in the crease and then also on the outer corner, and just continuing to darken that crease and outer corner, and then blend everything out with this Sigma E40. And just keep going back in, layering the color, lay it down, and then blend it out. I love that color. So now I'm going to be taking a flat definer brush and going in with Concealed, which is the base that she has in the palette, which I think works great. And I'm just going to be laying that down on my lid everywhere where I'm going to be putting the lid color. So now I'm going in with Charmed, which is this gorgeous like duochromatic purplish brown, so beautiful, very reflective, like the camera doesn't even do it justice. So I'm just gonna lay that all over my lid with this brush first, and then I'm gonna go in with a silicone brush that works really well for glitter shades, and I'm just going to intensify the lid shade a little bit with that applicator. So now I'm going to be taking a pencil brush and going in with Love Bite, which is a beautiful like plum purple, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner, kind of making a V, laying that color down with the pencil brush, and then I will go back in with the B80 and blend it out. I don't want to bring it too far into the crease, but I do want to make sure that I blend that color in with the lid shade so you don't see a harsh line there. And I'm just going to keep building that color up until I get it to the intensity that I like. Now I'm taking this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Pink of Me and putting that in my lower waterline. Now it cuts out, but I am going to be putting shadows on my lower lash line. First I go in with Tickle, which is that like dusty rose, and I'm gonna be putting that in my lower lash line. And then I go in with Spanked and I do the same thing. I'm not going all the way in, maybe about 2/3 of the way. And then I'm going to blend that out. I'm gonna put liner on and mascara, and we're done. All right, so this is the second look. I am going in with Lace and a Sephora blending brush. Lace is a beautiful like lavender shade, a really great transition color for any cool toned look. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease. I'm going to keep it mainly concentrated on the outer part. I'm not going to go all the way in. So just put that in the crease. And now I'm going to be going in with Tickle. And using the same brush, I just wanted a little bit more pink in my crease. So I'm just layering that on top of Lace. And now I'm taking a Morphe M433 and going in with Spanked. And I'm going to pat that on the outer corner of my eye and then slowly bring it into the crease. Oh, that color is just so gorgeous. I can't even take it. So just laying that down on the outer corner, and then I turn my brush to the side and blend it out. And then I will go back in with my blending brush and make sure all the edges are blended. So now I'm going to go in with Concealed, the concealer base again, and we're going to be putting that on our lid in preparation for the lid shade. And I am going to be going in with Fantasy. I started using the silicone brush, but then I realized that that does a better job applying it once you already have some of the color down. So I get irritated because it's taking me too long, and then I just go in with my finger, which as you can see does a great job. So I'm just going to apply that to my lid with my finger, and then go in with Spanked again and deepen up that outer crease one more time. And then blend it out with the Morphe M433. And now I'm just going to intensify that lid shade a little bit more with that silicone brush, and just go in with some more Fantasy, and then take the blending brush and just smooth the edges of the entire look. And now I'm taking this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Popular and putting that on my lower waterline. And then for the lower lash line, we are going to be first going in with Spanked. And if I go out of frame, I do apologize, because I have a tendency to do that when I'm putting shadows in my lower lash line. And then just blend that out. So curl lashes, put mascara on, and we are done with that look. So now I'm going to be going in with Tickle and a Sigma E40. And I'm going to be using this as my transition shade. Just putting that all the way in my crease from inner to outer corner, windshield wiper motions until you get the intensity that you like. So now I'm taking a B80, Morphe B80, and going in with Teddy. And I'm going to be putting this in my crease. I'm just going to be layering the color down. I blend a little bit, but for the most part, I'm just trying to build the intensity up. And then once I get the intensity I want, I go back in with the Sigma E40 and blend it all out. And then I'm just going back in with a little bit more of Teddy and then blend it out. So now we're going to be going in with the M433 and Raw, a beautiful like brownish color that we are going to be putting in the outer corner of the eye. I'm just going to pat that and then slowly drag what's left on my brush into my crease. And then I turn my brush to the side and blend it out with that first. And then I'm going to go back in with the B80 and blend out the edges a little bit more. And then I'm just going to do the other side. And I'm going in with the concealer. You can skip either this step or the next one if you like. It's really up to you. I just wanted to use a lot of shadows and really get a feel for them. So first I go in with Kinky, and that brush was a little too big, but this doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be layering a glitter on top of it. I just wanted something underneath the glitter. So I'm just going to be laying this all over my lid. It's a beautiful like coppery color, and then blend out the crease shade with that, so make sure there's no lines. And now I'm going to go in with Love Bite and deepen up the outer corner first before we go in with that glitter. So I'm just taking a pencil brush and kind of doing a little V, and then taking my M433 and blending it out. So I did want to use this glitter glue. If you do not have this, you can use the concealer base in the palette, no problem. I'm just layering this on my eye, and then I will go in with the glitter shade. So we're going in with Excite. And I am taking a flat synthetic brush and just patting that on top of everywhere I placed the glitter glue. Oh my gosh, these glitters perform amazingly, especially, it's hard to do a pressed glitter, and these are exceptional. Look how gorgeous that is. So now I'm going in with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner in Pink of Me, my lower waterline. And then I will go in with shadow on the lower lash line. I used Tickle and then Spanked. I'm sorry, I went out of frame, so you can't really see it. Now I'm taking this Fenty eyeliner. I'm just going to do a small band of eyeliner. I wanted to see how well it went over the glitter, and it went on so smoothly. So I'm going to be taking this black eyeliner and just putting that on my upper waterline and adding some mascara, my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and then I finished the rest of my makeup and put some lashes on. Alright guys. I know most people would think the pink hair and the pink dress is too much, but girl, my middle name is too much. And like, this isn't something I would wear like out in public, clearly, but I feel like my channel, I want it to be a place where you can feel free to be yourself, because I am definitely, you know, it's a place where I feel comfortable being myself, even if I'm silly or you don't like my style. I don't care, because this is just me, and I'm being me, and I feel comfortable with you guys, and I want you guys to feel comfortable as well. So